back everybody. In today's video, we're going to work a little bit more on this 6x6. I'm waiting for a bunch of parts to come in. I'm going to see if I can get a chain on it and see if we can actually drive it today. I got some U-bolts, just some exhaust muffler U-bolts for now. I'm trying to find those collars that I'm missing to go on that back axle. But I'm going to throw those on there and we'll get them tightened up and we'll see if we can get the chain on to see if we can get this thing moving today. Just see what it does. Stay tuned and see what we can do. First thing we're going to do is, I got these big U-bolts. We're just going to use these for now because I can't find the correct mounting brackets for this section right here. So we're just going to slide these in. Well, those are going to be way too long. Yeah, these are going to be way too long. They fit over it right, they fit in the holes, but the threads are wrong. Let me see what I can find, see if I can find something else. Alright, let's try this. I'm going to use the back side of the muffler clamp with some regular bolts. Let's see if this will work. Fits around that nicely. Lock washer. All right. See if we can get this chain on. Just working with what I got in this box over here. I don't know if this is the right one or not. Let's see here. That might be the right one. Got this master link here. Got the O-rings for it. Hopefully this works. I know you guys probably can't see, so I'm sorry, but it's that. Right there. Let's see if we can get these connected. Almost. I have to loosen this up a little bit. I gotta grab, let's see. Size is this right here. $18mm. Okay. Now, spray a little penetrating oil on this. Now they need a big, oh, let's see what I got here. Oh, this is big enough. Okay, I gotta rotate this up. Maybe it down. So close. Yeah, loosen that more. Sure what's going on here. Sorry, trying to figure this out. Alright guys. Yeah, I figured it out. There's 2 bolts on the bottom of this brake caliper that needs to be removed as well. Come on. There's one. There's the other one right there. Okay, let's try that. See if that lets me Oh yeah, that was it right there. Oops, going the wrong way. Let's go a little more. I don't want it super tight. Hey guys, we got that first chain on. I'm not gonna mess with the second one until I know everything's gonna work. Because if I gotta tear something apart, I don't want to deal with that. I'm gonna throw this clutch cover on for safety. Hopefully I have the bolts for that. And then I'm gonna start it up, see if it'll move back and forth. And if it does, then maybe I'll take the tires off my Polaris, my Sportsman I mean, and put it on this to see if it'll roll. All right, let's see if it'll start this morning and move back and forth. Key on. Wow. Okay, it moves. You gotta adjust that shifter. Well, we know it moves. Let's throw some tires on it. See if we can get it to drive back and forth. We'll jack up mine. We'll throw some tires on it. I'll bring you guys right back. Alright, I put one of my other tires on there. Let me get that jack there. See if it'll move this time. Key on. Man, that starts so nice. Okay, so it moves in low. Yeah, issues. So we're going to make some adjustments. All right, let me make some adjustments, see if I can get this to work. I'll tighten up a couple pieces here so they don't fall off while we're riding around, and I'll bring it back. Well, guys, there you have it. It drove. So we're getting closer. We gotta wait for some parts to come in. The carburetor still need to be worked on. Running still a little. It starts good, but runs a little rough. We'll get the carb kit in when it comes. We'll check all the fluids, change the ones we need, do some more adjustments, and continue piecing this back together. Man, what an accomplishment so far for something that hasn't been running years to be able to drive it out and drive it back in. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends. Have a great day.